Best phones. Are you looking for the best phones? In this video we will look at 5 of the best phones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is a premium Android smartphone designed to deliver cutting-edge performance and advanced features. Packed with 256 GB of internal storage, it offers ample space for apps, photos, and files. Its hallmark is the 200MP main camera, enabling highly detailed photography, paired with 100x space zoom for unparalleled telephoto capabilities. This makes it an excellent choice for photography enthusiasts. The device features an edge-to-edge display that ensures an immersive viewing experience with vibrant colors and sharp resolution, ideal for streaming, gaming, and productivity. It also includes the S Pen, offering versatility for note-taking, sketching, and precision tasks, catering to both professional and creative users. Under the hood, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is equipped with a fast processor, ensuring smooth multitasking, lag-free performance, and support for demanding apps and games. Its long battery life is another standout feature, ensuring you stay connected throughout the day without frequent recharging. As a US version, it is unlocked, allowing compatibility with major carriers, giving users flexibility in choosing or switching network providers. With Samsung's signature build quality, the device maintains a premium feel with durable materials. In summary, the Galaxy S24 Ultra combines high-end performance, advanced camera technology, and versatile functionality, making it an excellent choice for users who seek top-tier features in a flagship smartphone. Whether for professional use, creative pursuits, or daily connectivity, the S24 Ultra delivers exceptional value. Number 2. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is a revolutionary Android smartphone that combines cutting-edge technology with innovative design. Featuring an impressive 512 GB of internal storage, it provides ample space for apps, multimedia, and files, catering to both professional and personal needs. The large foldable screen delivers a tablet-like experience, perfect for multitasking, immersive media consumption, and productivity. The phone includes advanced AI-powered features such as Circle to Search, which allows intuitive content searches, and hands-free live interpreter, enabling seamless real-time language translation for travel and communication. Its AI photo editing tools enhance images effortlessly, providing professional-level edits directly on the device. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is unlocked, ensuring compatibility with all major US carriers, offering flexibility for users to choose or switch networks. Its sleek navy color adds a sophisticated touch, while Samsung's durable materials and design ensure the device withstands everyday use. The phone comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty for added peace of mind. With its 2024 release, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 includes the latest software and hardware optimizations, ensuring a fast, smooth performance. The foldable design supports multitasking with ease, allowing users to run multiple apps side by side, enhancing productivity and entertainment experiences. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 stands out with its large screen, robust storage, and AI-powered features like live interpretation and photo editing. It's a perfect choice for tech enthusiasts and professionals seeking a versatile, futuristic smartphone that bridges the gap between a phone and a tablet. The unlocked model, combined with premium features, makes it a top-tier option for those seeking the latest in mobile innovation. Number 3. The Google Pixel 8a is a compact and powerful Android smartphone that offers an exceptional value for those seeking an affordable yet high-performing device. With 128 GB of internal storage, it provides ample space for apps, photos, and media, catering to the everyday user's needs. The bay color gives the device a modern, sleek appearance that stands out while maintaining a professional look. One of the standout features of the Pixel 8a is the integration of Google AI, which enhances the user experience with smart features like Google Assistant, adaptive battery, and AI-powered photo enhancements. The advanced Pixel camera captures stunning photos, even in challenging lighting conditions, with Google's renowned computational photography algorithms that automatically optimize images for clarity, detail, and color. The phone also boasts an impressive 24-hour battery life, ensuring that users can stay connected and productive throughout the day without worrying about running out of power. The device is designed to handle daily tasks with ease, from web browsing and social media to video streaming and gaming. As an unlocked Android phone, the Pixel 8a offers compatibility with all major carriers, providing users with the freedom to choose their network and switch providers as needed. Its compact form factor makes it easy to handle and pocket, perfect for users who prefer a more portable device without sacrificing essential features. In summary, the Google Pixel 8a is an excellent option for those seeking a budget-friendly smartphone with powerful AI features, an advanced camera, and all-day battery life. Its combination of performance, simplicity, and affordability makes it an attractive choice for users who want a high-quality Android phone without breaking the bank. Number 4. The Google Pixel 9 is a feature-packed unlocked Android smartphone, offering a blend of performance, advanced technology, and sleek design. With 128 GB of internal storage, it provides ample space for apps, media, and documents, ensuring users can store their content without worrying about space. The device comes in an elegant obsidian color, giving it a sophisticated and modern look. Equipped with Gemini, a new AI-powered system, the Pixel 9 offers enhanced performance and smarter features, such as predictive app usage, adaptive battery management, and intuitive personalization. This integration allows the phone to learn and optimize based on user habits, ensuring a seamless experience throughout the day. The 24-hour battery ensures reliable all-day usage, allowing you to stay connected, browse, stream, or use apps without worrying about recharging. The advanced camera system, with Google's renowned computational photography, delivers stunning photos with improved low-light performance, vivid colors, and crisp details. It includes various modes like night sight and portrait mode, allowing users to capture professional-quality images effortlessly. The 6.3-inch Actua display provides an immersive viewing experience with vibrant colors, sharp details, and smooth scrolling, ideal for gaming, media consumption, and browsing. Whether you're watching videos, playing games, or using apps, the display ensures clarity and brightness in various lighting conditions. As an unlocked Android smartphone, the Pixel 9 offers flexibility, supporting all major carriers, making it easy to switch between providers or use with international SIM cards. Its combination of powerful AI, high-end camera, long battery life, and immersive display makes it an ideal choice for users who want a reliable and feature-rich smartphone. In summary, the Google Pixel 9 delivers an excellent user experience with its advanced camera, Gemini AI, and all-day battery life, making it an attractive option for those looking for a premium yet affordable Android phone. Number 5. The Samsung Galaxy A15 5G is a budget-friendly yet feature-rich smartphone designed for users who seek high performance and versatility. With 128 GB of internal storage and a 256 GB SD card included, it offers ample space for apps, media, and files, ensuring you won't run out of storage quickly. Its striking blue-black color adds a modern touch to its design. The phone boasts a large 6.5-inch 90Hz AMOLED display, providing vibrant colors, deep blacks, and smooth scrolling for an enjoyable viewing experience whether you're watching videos, gaming, or browsing. The 90Hz refresh rate enhances fluidity, making interactions feel faster and more responsive. Equipped with a 50MP main camera, the Galaxy A15 captures sharp, detailed photos, even in lower light conditions. This advanced camera system ensures you can take high-quality pictures with clarity and vibrant colors, making it a solid choice for casual photographers and social media users. The device supports 5G connectivity, offering faster data speeds for streaming, downloading, and browsing, as well as 4G VoLTE for clear voice calls. It's also fully unlocked, ensuring compatibility with major carriers such as AT&T, T-Mobile, Verizon, and international networks, giving users flexibility to choose or switch providers. Powered by an efficient processor, the Galaxy A15 ensures smooth performance for everyday tasks, from social media and web browsing to video streaming and light gaming. Its robust battery life ensures you stay connected throughout the day without frequent recharges. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G combines a large AMOLED display, powerful 50MP camera, 5G connectivity, and expandable storage in a budget-friendly package, making it an excellent choice for users looking for a well-rounded smartphone without breaking the bank.